I'm Colin Wheeler-James. My wife Tasha and I, we own Ground Up Cookery School down here in Chudley in Devon. The school's been running now for 6 years, but this is the first year at our new location. Purpose built this space, converted a couple of old barns, a garage and a swimming pool. There's a swimming pool under where we are right now. Kids are devastated, but there you go. So yeah, we opened here in January 2025. So we do typical sort of courses, shorter courses like pasta, pies, and the sort of experience courses. But what we really specialise in are things like foraging, fermentation and advanced preservation. So how to get all this seasonal produce if you grow your own, for example, and preserve it in different ways to make it last throughout the year and make it more interesting. We're talking about hyper-local when we're talking about foraging, and so there's not much more sustainable or seasonal than wild food. So we've carved ourselves out a really nice little niche. So, and then on the other side of that is when COVID hit and we couldn't run courses at all, we developed a little range of infused spirits, all with a wild forage dartmoor ingredient. So.
Well, our intention is to create an environment which feels comfortable to be in, feels like it could be your own home on a bigger scale, but is equally very functional as a cookery school.
We didn't want people to come here, do a course, and then go, and I have to spend 500 quid on the kit he used. We wanted a really nice kitchen, but stocked with really simple stuff. We wanted good knives and really nice crockery, so that was the wow factor. But everything else we wanted to be really accessible.
Everybody walks in and just goes, wow, as they walk round the corner into the main room. I've always designed our kitchens historically, so this is our 5th kitchen from DIY Kitchens. I've always designed them, so I was very familiar with the planner. I like using the planner, like moving things around, and does that work there, and is that going to work there? So yeah, I found actually quite fun.
A bit on the pods, so these pods behind us, we've got 8 pods, but they're all on wheels. And so they're designed as little independent units. So we've got an induction hob and all on wheels, so we can move them around and change the format if we wish. So we wanted something that was light but didn't show up every speck of dirt. Was easy to clean, and the finish on these is fantastic. It's really hard wearing and really easy to clean. So they're definitely a bonus too.
Renovated a derelict house
for 18 years ago now.
Like that was a long time ago. Came across it online, and that kitchen lasted us until we left. It was a really good, solid kitchen. So yeah.
Yeah, it was one of those, almost one of those eureka moments when you get your first delivery and actually you see the quality and you think, if I bought that from a competitor, it would have been twice the price. And we were really genuinely impressed with the quality for money. And I think that's why we're now in kitchen number 6. What I really like about it is you got an issue, something's damaged, there's no plans to just replace it. And then you get so many other companies to deal with and right across the board that you have to basically prove that it's their fault before they deliver it. And these guys are brilliant. They just swap it out for you. So again, that customer service is really important too.
I've always found customer service really helpful, right from the planning stage right the way through until it's finished.
We get a lot of people ask us about where we got our kitchen from, and we spend a lot of time talking about suppliers and where our stuff comes from. But yeah, I heartily recommend, because as I said, it's the quality for the price is exceptional.
The carpenter who did the worktops and some of the final fitting for us, he was familiar with DIY Kitchens, which was nice. He said, I always recommend that.